today's episode of How It's Done, our jeweler is going to custom size a lady's diamond solitaire ring. Using a jeweler's saw, the ring is increased to the desired size on a mandrel. The jeweler then introduces 14-karat white gold stock, scribing it to size, then cutting it to fit. Now the jeweler lines up the 14-karat gold stock and inserts it into the ring. Next, he soaks it in borax acid to protect the gold and diamond from oxidation. The jeweler then burns off the alcohol carrier, which carries the borax acid. The white powder that remains is what protects the gold and diamond. He then cuts a piece of gold solder and prepares the metal to receive it by placing flux on the seams. Bringing the torch to the proper temperature, the jeweler then solders the gold stock into the ring. He rinses the ring in water and places it into a pickle pot, which contains sparic acid. This process removes the borax acid. Having removed the ring from the pickle pot, the jeweler files the inside of the ring. He checks for size, and then files the outside for evenness and shapes the contour of the ring. Using an emery board, the jeweler smooths and removes file scratches. Then he makes a final size check. After filing and sanding, the jeweler moves to the polishing process. Using a lap wheel made of compressed felt, the jeweler flattens and evens the sides of the ring. He then inserts the ring on a felt finger to polish the inside of the shank. Now the jeweler moves to the polishing wheel, where he applies a fine abrasive called Tripoli and polishes the ring. The next level of polishing requires a rouge, which brightens and brings the ring to a high polish finish. Now on to the cleaning process. He places the ring in an ultrasonic cleaner. Transducers on the bottom of the tank produce ultrasonic waves, a process called cavitation, which removes any residue left from the Tripoli and rouge compound from the polishing wheel. With white gold, the jeweler is going to rhodium plate the ring for added protection. He first rinses and steam cleans to remove all impurities. Next, he uses an electro cleaner to remove any further oils or minute mineral deposits. After being rinsed and dried, the ring is submerged in a rhodium plating solution with 6 volts of DC current passing through it, creating an electroplating process that draws the rhodium onto the ring for a strong bond. Now that the rhodium plating process is complete, our jeweler rinses and steam cleans the ring a final time. It is now ready to present to a happy customer.